uh, worn out brake pads. Normally what happens, if they're worn out, you can see the pistons tend to come out to accommodate the wear line. So I have to return the pistons back, because if I put a new brake set, the resin, it's quite thick. So if I was to put this all together too, the disc won't get the space to go in between. So just take a blunt tool, squeeze it in gently, and make sure the pads are in there, or else if you don't use the pads, you're going to damage the pistons, and which are made of composite of plastic or something like that. So use it, and they're out. Putting the similar ones, Shimano, the new brake set. There's no light right and left, it's just any angle. Make sure the spring, you have this, the seating. You do not know if they're in the right place, try to tap them like this. The safety pin, which is actually what's holding the brake will not fall off. Well, this pin is smaller, I need to look for a longer pin. Twist it out so it can lock, it can come out. Again, we inspect, and that's it. Good space for the rotor to go in.